Hello, welcome back guys to another video. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing about 27th October 2025. Okay. Next day was the week opening. Next day was a Monday week opening. Now it's 5:17, 5:57 in my area. Okay, so morning. So let's get into the video. So we'll be discussing about this particular day. You can see we still see on a weekly basis. Last week we opened closed down a little bit, but not below. No, but we didn't close below the 0.5 percentage of the week. Okay, so fine. On next day, as you can see that you have this premium week standing there still alone, because this is the highest one among this one because let's see. And we yesterday we had a weekly opening gap. Market closed here, but opened here. Okay, so that's it. That's a weekly opening gap. I have marked it like that. Okay. So, really good weekly opening gap. Opened here and all the way build till the last point. Okay, the last tick of that weekly opening gap. Then start to rally. Where does it rally? Annotations of this is, I mean this one. Okay, this one of is this week. That is Friday's week. Okay, so that's the premium week for extra day. Okay, I don't know what today it's gonna happen. Okay. Mm. Now going to an hourly chart. Market opened there with a gap opening. Went to fill the gap perfectly fine and rallied into the 0.5 of previous day's week. That is Friday's week. Okay, so this is a Friday's week. So have a note of that. And this red pink line is that weekly opening, weekly premium week. Okay, so this is weekly premium week, weekly candles premium. We can say discount week for extra date act as a premium point of interest. Okay, so went to that perfectly aligned with that thing. Nice. Going to and I just wanted to have a look at this hourly fair value gap also. You had an hourly fair value gap up there on it is 7 o'clock. It came into the fair value gap, then rallied, taking the small buy side there. Okay, so that is good. Okay, fine. I will move to 16 minutes. Let's see what all we have there. Okay, so this is we have a low, higher high, lower low. Market came to this gap. That is hourly fair value gap. Can also see a 50-minute fair value gap up there, right? So I may not of it. Okay, so and that's for 8:30 open. Before 8:30 open, can see our indicated to this hourly fair value gap and taken a short time high in 15 minutes also. It's respecting the zero of the opening or close, or I don't know which price, closing, I think, closing price of the weekly discount week, okay, or here premium. Eh, you just think that is either a discount or premium with respect to the market, the day of the market that you are trading on. So you can annotate it like that. Okay, so going to a 5 minute chart. I'm taking. I mean, out of this 5 minute fair value gap, which helped market to take out this high. Okay, extending to the extending it like that and taking advantage of this 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah, and it becomes a inverse now. I just want you have a look at this price action here. 825, 825. So you can see this short time high was taken in GBP there, right? So GBP was really showing bearishness, but EU was showing what kind of bullishness. Okay, but extra day, GBP was able to take out the short time high, but not the EU. Okay. I just wanted to have a look at again of this 5 minute and 15 minute closer. So you can see that we have a short time drop there, created a structure shift, a body close, and previous two or three candles closed below that. Okay, that confirms a structure shift. So now this is the recent low, or what? I'm sorry, high that you can annotate. Okay, so uh, yeah, with after 8:30. Okay. Before 8:30, sorry, and after 7 o'clock. Okay, this is the highest high after 7 o'clock, and this is the lowest low. People who were going on a breakout rate here would have put their. I don't want to really tell about that thing and all, but this is for you. I just want you to have, what to say, have a look at this. Inverse fair gap. I just mark it as this thing. Okay. If you just take the measurements, this you can see that 0.5 level of this inverse fair gap is also same as this 5 minute fair value gaps 0.5 percentage. Okay, so that is not coincidence, but some random levels. Okay, you can say it like that. Okay, so market gain and taken a small by side of there. Now you say that you say that price closed above it, right? That the opening price of the sorry, the closing price of that uh, weekly premium candidate, but it's not like that. Okay, you can suggest okay actually at the particular point of time it doesn't have time to close lower. That's the only reason it closed higher. Okay, don't think like that. Okay, and you can also Take next candle, like it went through two 5 minute candle and able to close uh, below the or you can say below the 0.5 percentage of both the inverse and this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, so sorry, I don't have a premium here. You need to. Okay, now again, price went through it on a 1 minute chart. You will get a clear idea about what I'm doing. But we have a note of this 5 minutes inverse and this 5 minute fair value gap. So this is again respected pretty well. Okay, now price closed below that inverse fair value gap there. Price closed like that also. Okay, so we'll got a 1 minute chart. I have marked many things, but doesn't matter. Okay. Now have a closer look at it. Okay, so there you go. While I was watching market, I am watching 1 minute on my computer and I have a small tab which I used to watch the 5 minute candles. Okay, so here is the thing. That's that 5 minute inverse annotated through here, and there is 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, so now let's break down the trade. So a short time high taken, went through it, without disrespecting this fair value gap and this fair value gap, or I can say this fair value gap is being respected. Okay, so but for me, this look actually good. Okay, this fair value gap plus this small imbalance there. Okay, so I'm just considering that one only. Okay, so you can either consider this fair value gap plus small imbalance, but for my convenience, actually, I was considering that one. Okay, so after taking it, locked down with a huge good black candles or red candles in your chart, went through it. Now we will check here. Okay. And so that we are still inside of that 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, close below the 5 minute fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. This line represent that inverse 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, so again it went to that daily, sorry, 1 minute fair value gap plus this volume balance. Okay, so and can see at the tip of the gun that's the highest point of the price that has gone to the maximum in that fair value gap. So drop down again. The you can see here, right? This is optimal entry. That when you see these kinds of move, that's where you enter on these candles. And let's say if you didn't enter on this candle also, this candle also went to that inverse 1 minute fair value gap and closed outside of that, right? So that's really perfect. Okay. Again, came back. That's really good. Okay, fine. No problem. So now, sorry guys for the interruption. Okay, so now you can take an entry up there where the price gain retest on that inverse 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, and you can make your stops right about here or here on the zero closing price of that daily premium, weekly premium candle. Okay, so, but the optimal if you ask, I would have placed somewhere around the top of this 5 minute fair value gap because only this portion of this 1 minute fair value gap plus volume balance is yet to be filled. For that's really good. If you are bearish, at least some part of the fair value gap has to be opened. Okay, so and here you can place your stops on top of this 5 minute fair value gap. So no problem. So I didn't enter there because I'm not little too comfortable, not comfortable with that one. Okay, so broke down, creating a structure shift like this, and the next candle came all the way to where rate us to that inverse fair value gap. Okay, inverse 5 minute fair value gap. That's your entry. Wait for it. Next candle also closed below it. Next candle we can enter. Okay, or this candle itself we can enter. Because the price is stopping at that inverse 5 minute. That's point of interest already. Can be. Or you can see this small portion of the fair value gap was still yet to be filled. I'm talking about this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, so the small portion of that was yet to be filled, but the next candidate filled that one, closed down. I went a little bit higher, broke down, lower. Okay, so now I entered. I actually didn't take any really good entry. Entered there. My stops burned somewhere. Yeah, yeah. I remember there is. You see this one? Wait, I will show you this. At this closing price of this 5 minute Ferrari cap, we have that 0.5 level of that previous days we daily week. And this Fridays week. Okay, so that's what's my stop loss is entering there. And first target, as always, this low, this relative weekend lows, you can see it right there. So perfect delivery. You could really get. I got 3 hour right there. Okay, so no problem. But that's the sell side for the day. That's perfect 5 hour. If you are taking it from like this here, okay, but I would say this is the perfect trade. Okay, I have optimum entry on retouch on the 1 minute inverse fair value gap. That's it. That's our shit. So that could be like this one. Okay, so that's oh, still you don't get that 3 hour here. Oh, okay, fine. I think you'll get 3 hour here. Yeah, from this low and almost 4.27 hours from there. Okay, so you can enter from there. You can pyramid from here. Like that, you can do it. Okay, so that could be really nice if you are doing like that. That you know, if I passed this kinds of challenge and um, I would have pyramided like that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so fine. I think you guys understand trade well. And where does the market go again? When to the current point of the 0.5 of the weekly opening gap, that is this gap of the gap opening. That's not some random levels. The market stopped right there and not some random levels. Okay, so and this I just want to also show this level also. Okay, so This level is the 0.25 or 0.5 percentage of the week, previous test week. Okay, that's a good point of interest. You could also enter here when price is dropping down like that. Okay, that I mean, what I mean is entering there, putting your stops at the closing price of here, same target. But I don't do that because I just need a small confirmation that somewhat. Okay, so final target you could get almost four point something. Yeah. So I think that was the trade that I have took extra day. Pretty well. It was pretty well. I can't say I actually took it okay because I didn't actually took on my account, but extra day was Monday, right? So I was just having a fear to take the trade. Okay, so uh, yeah, this is the trade, right? So what is that? Live market, you can say some delay over there. Live market, okay. As you can see, I ended up there, making my stops right there, targeting over this sell side here, but can see that there I could get perfect 3R. Still, everything is fine, okay. 5R, perfect 5R trade, okay. So I think that's you got some idea about what the trade was actually, okay. So I don't want to show you this kind of stuff, but just for your information, okay. I'm just showing. So if you want to take screenshots or something like that, you can take it now. Okay. This is the actual thing. Okay. Again, not taking advantage of that we are above 8:30 midnight and midnight opening price with really things. Which really makes the sorry. Which really makes a good advantage of us to go lower. Okay. And the overall bias is also uh, bullish, sorry, bearish. We are now trading against the bias. For sell side also taken everything was fine. Okay, so I think we got some idea about what I have been talking till now, right? So I think that's all for the day, guys. I don't have much to talk about it. Let's see today, but I don't know what we are gonna do today. Okay, so we have this price there for the extra day highest high. Let's see if the price today take out that highest high and we'll check everything. I just want to delete everything. That's it. That's the reason. Okay, don't. Hey, I deleted. I think I accidentally deleted some more stuffs. Yeah, yeah. Now it's back clean. Right. I didn't remove anything else. Right. I have that previous week. Uh, yeah, we are good to go. Today's will be taking advantage. I think of this volume balance, which is right above previous day side. That is Monday's extra day side, and this area of this premium week. Okay, so let's see what the price has to go do. There is no possibility either it would go up to this daily February or to the maximum. It will go up to till somewhere around here or it will start reversing. Okay. I think that's all for the day, guys. I think you have some idea about what I have been talking. That's really thanks from you. See you on the next video. Okay, so bye guys.